Alright guys, today we're going to install the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. Let's do it. Alright, let's open the box. Got the user manual, quick start guide. Pretty cool.
Alright guys, this camera is awesome. The Red Dragon has dual 4K sensors, Sony sensors that are really the strongest imaging specifications on the market. Ultra high definition can capture more details such as license plates and zoom in on static details.
We got extra mounts, power cable for the rear, cable installer, charger. Here's the main power plug right here. Alright, let's get the main camera installed. Alright, I went ahead and put that on the windshield. Let's go ahead and slide this on here. And there it is. It tilts up and down. That'll work. That's pretty good. Lock it in. Alright, let's put the power to it. Plug the power in. There's the front power and the rear power.
The Red Dragon also has a built-in hard drive, eMMC storage. It's about 400% improvement over SD card writing. It's more reliable, faster, and has a longer service life.
We want English. Okay, New York. There we go. It's already powered up. Here we go, right here. REDTIGER. It starts recording automatically. This is the front camera, this is the rear camera. You can take a picture here, and you've also got function buttons underneath here. So you got your different settings here, and it's touch screen, so you can play back stuff here, which is pretty cool. You can slide in between these. There's a date and time. There's the whole rear camera. There's the whole front camera, and then you can do a split screen. There you go. There's a split screen here. Let's go to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi turning on. So we're going to find this on the app, and we'll turn it on, and we'll be able to access all the features. All right, guys, go to the app on your smart device, Wi-Fi device, and we're going to connect to the camera, and we are connected to the app. So you can see on here, there's the rear camera. You can go to full screen. You can see the front camera and the rear camera, and you have all the same functions on here, just it's a lot easier to see. You can also review your footage on here. I put it on the iPad just so it's easier for you guys to see. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You got your SD card, camera, pictures, settings, and there's all kinds of settings in here that you can mess around with. Let's take it for a drive.
All right guys, this is the front camera as we're driving down the road in my neighborhood. Everything looks amazing. And this is the rear camera. Again, it's very clear. You can see everything around you. Crystal clear. Guys, the REDTIGER is super easy to set up, and it comes with a quick start guide to help you through the process. I had it up and running within a couple of minutes. Alright guys, as you can see, we're driving through the city here. It's a nice clear day out, and you can see everything very clearly. You can see the cars driving by, you can see the buildings and the lights. Everything is super clear.
Alright guys, check it out. We're parked at the park here, and these are some of the features that you can use with the voice control. Show front camera. Show rear camera. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Stop recording. Turn on recording.
Alright guys, the REDTIGER F77 is loaded with all kinds of cool features. The dash cam comes with a built-in 128GB storage, so you don't need an SD card, but you can put an SD card in it if you need more storage. In addition to the cool touchscreen, it also has voice control, so you can do hands-free operations, turn on audio, turn on screen, turn on Wi-Fi, turn on recording, show front camera, turn off audio. So you can do all kinds of cool stuff just by talking. Guys, here you can see us going down the road. Everything is super clear. It's the middle of the day. The sky is clear, and you can see the clouds in the sky. You can see all the cars around, the signs, the street signs, the road. Everything is super clear. Here's some night footage. The night footage is very crisp and clear, and it allows you to see everything in great detail. The Red Dragon also has night vision HDR, dual Stravis 2 night vision technology. Stravis night vision technology can enhance image capture capabilities at night and in low light environments, effectively suppresses noise and improve image brightness and clarity. Alright guys, this camera is awesome. The Red Dragon has dual 4K sensors, Sony sensors that are really the strongest imaging specifications on the market. Ultra high definition can capture more details such as license plates and zoom in on static details. Alright guys, get your REDTIGER F77 today. Click on the link for a CT discount.